Listen to this video, and when I come back, we have a lot to talk about. Listen to this.
We're also going to talk about legislation I introduced this week to protect Christians in Nigeria. Nigeria has seen a persecution of Christians that has been staggering. Just this week, over 60 people were murdered by jihadists, by radical Islamists. They went house to house. This pattern of targeting Christians, targeting Catholic priests, targeting individual men, women, and children is horrific. And my legislation would put real consequences on the government of Nigeria and those who are facilitating this persecution, put real consequences on them to change that.
That was Senator Ted Cruz of USA, a very influential senator, a right-hand man of Donald Trump. And I have been saying it here for those that want to listen, that this agenda is sponsored 100%, 1000% sponsored by Donald Trump. All these killings in Nigeria that you are seeing, that the whole world's attention is on Nigeria. And in fact, they are already creating bills and laws now to indict Nigeria and to protect Ndigbo and the Southeast and the Christians, and also bringing out Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All these are underground CIA schemes that have been going on in America, sponsored by Donald Trump for the past weeks now. This is just to show you the lengths that they are going for a senior serving senator of the Republican Party to speak like this. There is fire on the mountain and there is joy in Biafra land. Simple as that. So this is a good development, but this is not the only reason why we are here. Last 24 hours, Ndigbo in Canada have come out to demand the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They made this known in a very lengthy statement. I can't just read all here, but just know it, that Ndigbo in Canada have come together to demand the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I want to say that this is a step in the right direction, because the Nigerian government is at its lowest now. I will say it any day. This is the time to press their neck more and more. This is a time for any community to come together now, mostly diaspora. And the reason I'm saying this is because we need to also show America that they are doing the right thing, that they are on the right path. You are the one in the dungeon. You are the one in the scene while they are outside there fighting for you. If you do not add your voice to it, you are leaving them alone. You're not adding much, hits, much verve to it. You need to show them support, that they are not doing this thing for themselves. They're doing this thing for us. I don't know why up till now, no diaspora, union has come together to go straight with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's demand to the White House, demand in protest. In protest. Now, having said that, this is what we are going to do. I am hereby calling upon Ndigbo in United States of America, USA. Listen carefully. You are going to come together, all the 50-something states of US. You are going to come together in a meeting and resolve to hold a protest. Calm down. That national protest is going to be held in Washington, D.C. Yes, in Washington, D.C. And that protest, you're going to print placards. Listen carefully. You're going to invite CNN. You're going to invite Fox News. You're going to invite independent bloggers. And you are going to send, those influential people we have amongst us there to the Senate and House of Assembly to inform them of this particular protest that is going to be staged, demanding the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a Christian in persecution in Nigeria for the past 10 years, who has been facing trial for the past 10 years. Until today, they have not yet released him. He's facing torture. His health is deteriorating. And what is his offense? His offense is that he is a Christian who is fighting against the killings of Christians in Igbo land and Nigeria in general. Print these things in placards. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or free Nnamdi Kanu, a Christian persecuted for his beliefs. Then you write also other ones, coin it in a way that it has to do with Christianity, killings and also put in prison for his beliefs. He has not been granted bail. He has not been released for proper health care. He has not even been tried and sentenced at all. But the Northerners, the Muslims who have been in the situation with him, have all been even given amnesty and freedom. This is the kind of protest I want to see now. It's a protest in support of what American government is doing. You need to come out now and support America's push against this Islamic agenda in Nigeria and persecution against Igbo by using Nnamdi Kanu's case as a huge protest by the time all of you in US come together. Listen, and this is what you're going to do. Because now you will ask me, why the US? Because the US is the center of this push, present push, for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. They are the ones already laying the background for this job. They are already going after, jihadists, terrorists, both those in government. And this is the way to support them. This is the way to table our case also, so that they will know, so that they will be more aware, so that they will feel that we are also supporting what they are doing, than sitting down there and watching them every day on news. No, don't do that now. You can't be sitting down there and watching them on news every day. Come out there as a black community in the Igbo community in US. Come out there and show for the support, so that you are supporting them, the Trump government, in what they are doing. That's what they need now. They need our support heavily, because the hammer is coming down on Nigeria soon. And it is the people's support that is needed in anything in life. Go and ask anywhere. If you are going to do anything in any country, the people must highly support it. And that's the truth. Because lack of support can spoil this whole thing. So American community in the US, come together, have a meeting, stand the protests, print the placards, coin it. Nnamdi Kanu, a Christian persecuted in prison. Nnamdi Kanu, Christian leader held in prison because he fought, terrorists, because he defended his land. He was put in prison. Just coin it that way and march to Washington, D.C. I am telling you, see, the American government will support you. The American police, they will give you escort. In fact, Americans will come out in support. That protest is going to be very massive. This is the thing I want to lead to you today. It is time to take this matter in our hands. It's no more about this group or that group or this pro-Biafra group or that one. All of you come together. Both in the Igbo and Diaspora who don't belong in all these groups. Both, Igbo World Forum or World Congress. Both IPOB, both Brigi, both all of them come together as one body and hold this protest in Washington, D.C., writing it on the placard, carry pro-USA banners, carry USA flag, carry Israeli flag, carry Biafran flag, and carry placards writing clearly, Nnamdi Kanu, Christian leader, tortured in Nigerian prison for the past 10 years. Make it a case. It has to be a national case until Donald Trump opens his mouth to talk about it, to demand it personally. That is what we are pushing for. The final push has come. This is the final push. Do this, I say now. Do it now. Stop sleeping. You are the ones who are holding the torch now. The ball is in your court. The government where you are living in the US is supporting you. Is supporting Biafra. Is supporting Igbo. Why are you in your house sleeping? You should be going out there to say thank you, Donald Trump. Thank you, America, for saving Igbo. Raise the issue of Nnamdi Kanu. That's what you should be doing. Now sitting down and watching it and be happy, clapping your hand every day. For Ted Cruz, for the senators, for House of Assembly, for Fox News, for Donald Trump. You see news, you keep on clapping. Come out in your thousands. Come out to Washington, D.C., White House. March there. Hold your placards, written specifically, detailing it. Nnamdi Kanu, a Christian leader, tortured. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Free him from the hands of Nigeria. From the Fulani government, from terrorist government. That's exactly what you should be doing. Simple. We're not here to is time for action. And I'm telling you, ideas change the world. If you carry this idea and do this, you will be surprised the kind of results you're going to get. You'll be surprised. You will be surprised. Free Mass Nnamdi Kanu. It's time for him to leave that cell. The time has never been surer for me like now. It's time for him to leave that cell. I have been your host, Chi Ne Du. Thank you for watching my video. So I see you next one. Peace.